Ogandi Oga. Oga, Ogandi Oga. Oga, Ogandi Oga, Kenny's and go. Only minute, Oh, now they're very funny. I don't carry my own comb. I say this matter. If I don't put mouth, then it's only fun. Okay, now time, feel me. Anyways, I'm here for the Igbos. You like to post your fellow humans down for. It's only when there is a story we used to see you. We don't like to support ourselves, Igbos. Hey God. But when they were tarnishing somebody's image, their sister's image, their brother's image, you were not seeing it. Sha, me, I just heard though. I heard the way others heard. That is the way me I heard. So, but the thing is that we are waiting for the breaking news. Okay, now what's up? I need to the breaking news. I cannot wait to hear the breaking news because why not? For you that you are talking trash in the comments, my dear, shut your trap. Shut it up. Shut it up. Because you're blind. Please. You're blind. Obviously. When you will come out to talk, you will not come and talk. It's now you want to come and talk on top of it. It's like if people don't really understand this karma of it, People need to understand karma is real. Believe it or not, karma is real. They were breaking news. We are bringing breaking news. I will breaking news. Rejoice, joy is coming.